Kawan ako sa kuya kay. Kuya, come, let's go the SK corner.
SK ka.
Ah.
Happy birthday, ha? Happy birthday.
Tomorrow pa.
Huh?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Not today.
Thank you.
Oh, not today,
We go SK corner ha? Okay. Punta kami SK corner guys. Doon pa siya pa breakfast. Walking na kami ni Kuya papunta sa restaurant. For breakfast. Kainin ko siya sa restaurant guys. Breakfast kasi di ko nagluto. Walang breakfast sa bahay. Yesterday I making in my house the beef.
Ah, you make something, ah?
Beef steak. You see? You see the video?
Yeah. Show me what I call
Liberty. I bring now. Later I cook for you.
Oh, okay, good.
You can try
Thank you.
taste also.
Okay. Or you make,
Yeah.
Good, we never eat, lah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Same as usual, yung favorite niya, matatilo.
Talong. Yeah. Mata talong.
Matatilo. And roti canay. With the titarik.
Yeah. Okay.
Bitulik. Lagyan niya ng pepper. Wala man. I see.
Doesn't this one?
Mm.
Oh. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. And this one?
Yeah, this one. Don't put too much.
Don't too much.
Yeah,
Oh.
too much. Then no, so good. Okay, cup.
Okay. Now guys. Egg. Egg ko nung ita. Pero egg nun. Itlog ra ni guys. Next is roti canay. Yeah, I like this curry.
Yeah,
But this one I don't like.
it's curry. Yeah.
It's spicy.
What is? Bit spicy.
Ano to guys? Hurot. Hurot. Si Kuya, hina kayo. Panurot. Katawa ko kay imbis ng picture. Unta ko ba magpa-cute-cute ko. Naman pa sa kong likuran naman tayo sa kong bubuo. Maulaw na picture-picture. Inamta guys, Loy Tambal sa panot, Loy Picture ang tako ba? Naman sa kong likod ni unggoy sige pamantay. Asa naman to si... Casting go ready, right?
Go already. I think he go already. Yeah. Usually at the back of the car.
Diba? Oh, yeah.
Or usually
Drinks.
the cashier, but no.